Today I'm cooking egusi soup and I'll be using only beef. This is my well-washed beef. I'll add some melon cubes. And I'll also add some salt. So now I'll be blending some onions, pepper and the paprika. So I've blended the pepper. This is the blended pepper. I'll keep it aside. And I've also soaked I'm using dried olubo, bitter leaf. So I'm also soaking it in hot water. So now this is the grounded egusi. I'll add some onions to it and bouillon cube. I'm gonna crush it then and I'll add some water. So mix it to a paste. This is okay. I've already crushed the bouillon cube inside, so this is the consistency which I want. At this point, the meats are well steamed. You can see it now. And I'll add my fish. My dry fish and my stock fish. They're already washed with hot water. And now I'll be adding my red oil. Then I stirred. Added more little water. The meats are properly cooked now. I have to add the blended mix. After adding that, I'll add the egusi. Adding some water. I've already added enough water, and I will lower the heat so that it will not burn. Stir at interval, gradual stir. Let me test it. So everything is okay. So at this point, I added some crayfish. I stirred it very well. I add my bitter leaves. You can choose to slice yours if you want, but I love my bitter leaf very long. My favorite vegetable for this soup is ugu leaf. That's pumpkin leaf, but I don't have it. So I decided to use my bitter leaf. I stirred very well. I'm trying to stir very well, so I'll cover and allow it to cook more, so as to soften the dry leaf. But at this point, the soup is ready. Everything is okay. There is salt. Everything is perfect. So let me cover and allow it to cook small. Oh, yeah. The soup is finally ready. Looking so delicious. I hope you love it. I hope you love it. I have enough vegetable. Let me turn off the heat and dish. Please comment if you like my soup. What is your favorite swallow for egusi soup? Can you see that? Can you see that? Isn't that delicious? See my delicious egusi soup.